This is the Boar's Head uncured turkey bacon. We picked this up from Target. We got it from Target.
Nothing words could say. There's nothing you could do to stop my heart for you. Just keep your head up high. Yeah. Hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. Been trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries. But know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. I promise I'll stay. Yeah, I promise I'll stay. If you could see what I see, the lonely nights overcome. Yeah, you'd be proud, yeah, believe me. You'd be proud. This child you've already won. Yeah, there's nothing you could do to keep my heart from you. Just keep your head up high. Hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. Been trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears.
Go sit down, Papa. Go eat your food. Sit down. Thank you. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Natara, and this is The Johnson's Life. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. I really do appreciate you guys, and also thank you so much to my new subscribers. I have quite a few new subscribers that have came over and decided to join the family. I am so grateful and thankful for you guys. Also, you guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. It really helps out the channel. It helps the algorithm to be able to find me in their system or whatever, and pushes out more of my videos. And also, I hope that you guys see something that you like to cause you to stick around for a while. And for all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all, thank you so much for coming back. Today is a day in the life. As you can see, I have gotten my day started. Got my breakfast and everything done. Opened up the house a little bit, straightened up, you know, just picked up the kitchen a little bit. But today was a late start. I was really tired this morning. I got up at 5 o'clock this morning and came downstairs, you guys, and I laid on the couch for like 2 hours and slept 2 more hours. I was tired. I don't know why, but anyway, I got my breakfast done or whatever. Oh, and I did do my nails. They turned out really, really cute. I like them. See? But anyway, I do have to work today, so I will be going up to work in about 30 minutes. And yeah, so I will bring you guys along with me on today what I will be doing. I started the vlog on Saturday. I'm not sure if I'm going to put these clips in beforehand or whatever, but I started the vlog on Saturday. Didn't really do much, but I made sure that with you guys. Gucci did go to the groomer and got him a good haircut. He looks so cute. He is so fluffy. I don't know if you can see him walking around in here, but he is so fluffy. She did a really, really good job. And also he got a new slicker brush for his hair because he is a doodle. And this brush right here is more easier to comb through his hair. So, and he actually like it. I don't know if you can see him standing up right here, but he want my eggs. Y'all, this puppy love eggs. But you can't have any. Not today. I put salt on them. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and eat my breakfast so I can go on up and get ready for work.
I'm hearing your cries. you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams.
I am back from my break. I went outside where my husband was and spent time with him on my break. And then I am back now waiting for my meeting to start. So yeah. Look at Gucci back in the background on the floor. What are you guys doing today? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing mentally? I know that it is a lot going on in the world, but we know that the God that we serve is bigger. He is bigger than what we are going through. So my advice to you is to just give it over to him. Let him take care of it. Let him handle it. Because once we put our hand in the mix, we begin to mess it up, especially without instructions from the Lord. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get in this meeting, get focused so that I can get back to work. I know that I did have a comment on one of my videos about where I work. I would not disclose where I work. Just know that I love my job. I love my patients. And I love what I do. I mean, I've always wanted to work from home for a big company, and I have gotten that opportunity to be able to, and I love that. And I know some people can't work from home or don't like the feeling of working from home, but I am a homebody. All my life I have worked outside of the home when I was working, but this is a game changer because you are able to get more done. Even though you have a full-time job working from home, you're still able to get things done, and you're not as tired and wore out and wore down as you would normally be, because you're working physical labor up on your feet all the time, moving this and third, which is a good thing, but that wear and tear on your body, it hurts. But the way that I keep my body moving is I get up every morning and I have a walking pad that's downstairs. I walk on it from at least 30 minutes to an hour in the morning, and I try to do it in the evening times. And sometimes they don't work, but I do get at least 30 minutes in to try to get at least half of my 10,000 steps in a day. But every day I'm normally averaging about between 9,000 to 12,000 steps a day. So yeah, you guys, I'm just sitting here waiting for the meeting to start. And once it gets started, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go, and I will be back this evening, if not on my lunch break. But today for dinner, I am going to be making tuna patties. I know some people may think tuna patties. Yes, you need to try it. Tuna patties. It's almost to the point like salmon croquettes. Oh my God, it's so good. I love salmon croquettes, but y'all, these tuna patties, y'all need to try it, because y'all don't know what y'all missing. You make them the same exact way that you do with those salmon in the can. Yes, I'm going to show you guys how I make mine today as well. So yeah, you guys, once again, I want to thank y'all so much for all the support that you guys have been showing, and all of my new subscribers. Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? I really do appreciate y'all for stopping by and deciding to join the family. Also, you guys, I'm going to try to do a variety of videos. I love cooking, I love cleaning, and I love showing you guys my day. So I may just put it all into a vlog, and some days you may just get cleaning, some days you may just get a cooking vlog. So yeah, I will be back. Okay, you guys, it is 2 minutes before I get off, and today has been a day. It has been a good day. I just wanted to come on And I'll let y'all know that I am about done for the day. I forgot to come on my lunch break. I think that I just went downstairs, warmed up me some leftover chicken drumettes, and shared it with my husband, and watched a little TV and relaxed a little bit. And then I came back and finished up the day. But today was a good day, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to log off and then go downstairs and cook.
Trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side. Even in the change, they might walk away, but I promise I'll stay. I'm feeling clearer, the moments are realer. A weight off my shoulder, let me touch the sky. I'm seeing in color, I'm living in wonder. I'm right here now. I'm gonna dance in the light, I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. It was too long, I suffered inside. I was locked in my mind and almost lost my soul. 'Cause all me